Hey everyone, this is Danish from jobskillshare.org, and this video is actually a request by many of you where you want to know the summary of our main four courses: Help Desk Ticketing System course, Active Directory User Management course, Office 365 Administration course, and Help Desk to Entry-Level Specialist course, and then some other ones too, but these are the main ones. So for me to give you a summary is like this. I'm just going to explain what you're going to learn in these courses and how it's going to help you when you go to the interview, or maybe even starting your first entry-level IT job. Starting with the Help Desk Ticketing System course, which is available on jobskillshare.org. If you go to the site, this course is right on the main page, and it's right, if you click on the little arrow right here, it will take you to this Help Desk Ticketing System course. Now, of course, you need to be logged in, you need to be a member. You can get the free membership, which is almost the whole course. The videos are for free. In some courses, some section may be available for membership plus members, but most of the content in these courses are free. So what you're going to learn in Help Desk Ticketing System, when you click on this course, you can see we are actually going for real world scenarios. So it is not just a theory and things like that. You get to learn all of that from Google, from resources and blogs and everything, but you actually want to know hands-on practice and want to know what kind of tools people are using outside. So basically, I'm going to show you some examples right here. As you can see, we have starting from what is ticketing system. First, you need to know what is ticketing system. So in a summary, just a quick summary, ticketing system can be anyone using a user and you have a technical staff. Technical staff could be help desk, IT administrators, system admins, network engineers, programmers, web developers, and so on and on and on. And whoever kind of fix the issue or deal with the issue on the systems or some products. So that could be that end, and users could be the people that are actually working with members or are direct members or users that are having issue, and some way they are sending you issue through a system. So that system is called assignments, and basically the tickets are called, you assign the tickets, and the systems are named usually ticketing systems. It can be from email, it can be from phone, it can be from some kind of web page. They write the issue, they send it images or screenshots of the errors, and then you get to see that and you work on that. Ticketing system, mostly we work on, we showed some demo on ServiceNow, Track IT, I support, even Spiceworks now. So a lot of ticketing system in this course where you can get the hands-on practice. And the main idea of this is for you to be more confident when you go to the work. They're always using some type of system, and that's why they ask that, do you have any knowledge on assigning calls through some kind of system? Can you explain that? Well, what did you use, or what kind of training have you done? So a lot of people don't teach this type of stuff in colleges or that level, and in interviews. These are the basic questions people will ask you. Do you know anything about ticketing systems? And people usually don't have an answer. And in this course, that will give you that confidence, not only answering that question, but also going to actually job and performing well because you know all this stuff. The second course that I recommend our users, go back in here. Actually, messed up my links. Small glitch. All right, so now if you go back to jobskillshare.org, the second course that I always recommend people is to go for the Active Directory User Management course. This is a very, very important course for anyone going to entry-level IT jobs, and most of the companies are using Active Directory, some type of domain environment where all the computers, all these 50, 60, 300, 1,000 employees are controlled by a domain controller. They're like, basically, you have a server and they control all of these machines from one area. It could be separated between cities, between some places, and even buildings. Depends. I mean, it depends on your setup, but most of the time you work on an Active Directory from your computer. So in this course, you kind of know from your computer how do you manage a domain control environment where you have to log into the Active Directory, somebody call you, they're having issues with passwords, they're having issues with emails, changing names, adding to the groups, access. searching people, disabling vendors, service accounts, so many things in Active Directory that you will learn hands-on practice in this course. And this is a very, very important question when people will call you, like, recruiters or HR managers or anyone at that level. They know they have to ask you this question: do you know anything about Active Directory? So this is another very important course. Another one is, after this, is the kind of like, we're going from Active Directory is kind of like there for long time, but Microsoft came up with the cloud technologies, which is like Office 365 now, and they have more, they're even putting all the Active Directory on the cloud. So you get to deal with so much in Office 365 now, not only just adding users and resetting passwords and all that functionalities available in Office 365 also now, but also emails and OneDrive. This is like a Dropbox kind of thing, and even so more new applications are coming out. They're testing new ones almost on a monthly basis. So you get to learn so much in this also, because this is where people are going now, and there are so many companies are on it right now. So this is becoming a very important skill to have now. Do you know anything about Office 365 or any cloud technologies like that? Because Office 365 is kind of leading in an environment where you have educations, and just type Office 365 and .edu, and you will find out so many EDUs are using that. And this is kind of like indication that you should be learning about this. In this course, you will learn basic to even little bit advanced level of administration that will not only make you feel confident in interview about answering questions. Do you know how to deal with emails in Office 365? We're not talking about Exchange like a server here. We're talking about Office 365 email systems, because that's a little bit different story. Do you know how to contact Microsoft support? And that's where you kind of deal with them, because they are supporting that through, and these are your IT people over there, and you have to know how to contact them and everything. And after that, we have help desk support, entry level to specialist course. This is a big course. This is where you learn that technical stuff, the imaging, cloning, what are the advanced tools, how to troubleshoot an issue that you just can't see, how to monitor a computer and monitor it throughout the day, how to read the logs, what is virtualization, how do we use that as a help desk person, not as a system admin. That's a little different story. So you get to learn basic level in this course, but it gives you that advanced technical skills where you can even exceed in this career, like in your help desk tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, you can become even a junior system admin by taking all these 4 courses, and that can lead you to all of these good positions out there. And if you're new, that will lead you to get you the IT job. And that's kind of like the summary of all these 4 courses. Of course, we have more than this, but I kind of tell people to start from here. If you want to know more and want to read all these testimonials, and also on the bottom right here, if you read the blogs, you will get so much confidence that so many people from different careers, accounting, army, so many electrical engineering, customer service, students, they have landed jobs, and even from different countries. So be a part of this organization. Come in, check it out. It's almost free. All the learning is free. You want to get certification, you pay a little bit. You want to get labs, you pay a little bit more. But of course, videos are almost 80% free in this platform. So just come in, check it out. I'm sure it will help you out. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in a different video.